In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product variants in Odoo. We'll start from the main Odoo dashboard. To create product variants, first navigate to either the Sales app or the Inventory app, since variant settings are connected to your product catalog. Once you're inside, open the Configuration menu and then click on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Product Catalog section. Here, look for the option labeled Variants and make sure that box is checked. This is an important first step because Odoo won't let you build product variations like size, color, or material until variants are enabled. After checking the box, click Save to apply the change. Once variants are activated, go back to the Sales app. Open Configuration again, and this time click on Attributes. Attributes are what define the options your products can have, such as small, medium, and large, or red, blue, and black. To create a new one, click New. Now you can set up the attribute itself. First, choose the display type. This controls how the options will appear in Odoo, so pick the format that best fits how you want users to view or select those values. Next, set the variant creation mode. This determines how and when Odoo generates the actual product variants, so it's worth choosing the option that matches your workflow. At the bottom of the form, add the specific values for this attribute. For example, if the attribute is size, this is where you would enter each size option. Once your values are in place, the attribute is ready to be used on products. Next, go to Sales, click on Products, and then click on Products again to open the full product list. From here, either select an existing product or click New if you want to create one from scratch. Open the product, click Edit, and then go to the Attributes and Variants section. This is where you connect the attribute you just created to the product itself. Click Add a Line, select your attribute, and then choose the specific values that should apply to this product. This step is what tells Odoo exactly which combinations need to be created. When everything looks correct, click Save. As soon as the product is saved, Odoo instantly generates the variants for you. To review them, click the Variant Smart button at the top of the product page. From there, you can open each individual variant and configure its specific details as needed. And that's how to create product variants in Odoo, from enabling the feature to generating and reviewing each version of your product.